Zhejiang Jinhua CUMET Abrasive Company Limited, established in 2003, is specialized in manufacturing and exporting various kinds of resin-bonded cutting and grinding wheels. As one of the leading abrasives manufacturers in China, CUMET insists on principles of customer-centric, market-oriented, and quality first as the driving force of development. A dynamic team has been founded based on rapid development, which could provide professional suggestion and service to requirements from different customers. To meet more market demands, CUMET actively engages in new products development to remain CUMET products in high level. CUMET has advanced equipment and adopts Italian production technology to ensure every piece with good appearance and reliable quality. The whole workshop has been installed air conditioner for stability of the products. Employees are well trained before working. The management and quality control system is in compliance with ISO 9001 and GB standard. Moreover, a full set of products have been certified by MPA Hanover. CUMET supplies superior products and excellent solving measures for the worldwide customers, while providing OEM to customers from more than 100 countries, including some international leading brands. CUMET accumulates rich knowledge to different market needs. It helps to supply suitable products for different customers. Products are baked by the tunnel kiln, which fully controlled by the computer system. Automatic packing machine is used for packing, which greatly improves the packing efficiency. Safety is regarded as the top priority of CUMET products. Every link is strictly inspected by QC team, from raw materials to finished products. More investments have been made to the automation of production and inspection to improve the consistency of the products. Fast cut, long life, and high security are the main features of CUMET products. All the raw materials are purchased from high-quality suppliers at home and abroad, which directly affect the quality of products. CUMET adhered to tenets of best in quality, competitive price, timely delivery, and efficient service.